So now I can just, I should put that other clamp on. All right, so now, especially like if I wanted to be here and just fine tune that, I can go here. Can get out any scratches. And if I wasn't quite there, this is a rounded, so let's just say I wanted to get that. So I can get this shape really fast,
right,
with a rounded spoke shape. And then I can clean it up really well with a sharp, and I can pull or push. Now, feel that, and well, it's smooth.
yeah,
all right?
yeah, I'll take this off.
Whether you get that off or not, but so, and I can get my subtle shapes with this, which is why I say I use it a lot. So like if I was over here, I could do this, right? Do that. I might put it in the vise differently, but I can clean this all up with this now. And that.
Show you a picture. This is just, and there's different versions. There's a rounded edge and